What's up, tech educators? Want to prepare your students for the AI automation boom without spending on massive factory gear? Check out the WLKATA Logistic Warehousing Sorting Line, which is designed for CTE, vocational, and undergraduate robotics programs. It's a ready-to-use, miniaturized smart factory workcell. With its 6-axis Mirobot, 4-axis MT4 arm, and real-time conveyor system, students get hands-on with the exact tech running modern logistics. Plus, the software is fast and super easy to understand and supports both graphic programming and C programming. But here's the best part for you teachers. The WLKATA includes a comprehensive textbook and tutorials right in the box. The lesson plans are practically done. You can walk into the lab with 100% confidence and just teach. Now, let's watch the demo running of this workcell. Links are below. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you'd use this in your school. Catch you next time.